would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today,
okay guys, for those who don't know, and if it's your first time on my channel, my name is Herrera, and I basically just do videos about beauty, skincare, hair, luxury, all that type of stuff. So I posted on my Instagram and my story, like if y'all wanted me to do a luxury fragrance haul, because I'm always posting perfumes. I have so many perfumes and fragrances. Like I actually posted and I showed y'all all my perfumes, and then I asked y'all, did y'all want to see a luxury perfume haul, and y'all said yes. So if you guys want to see the rest of this video where I'm showing you my wonderful perfumes, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 4 luxury fragrances, and I have one affordable fragrance that I really like. So this is my top 5 fragrances that I always wear, that I love, with one affordable fragrance. Okay, yes, so if you are around me, 9 times out of 10 I have on these 5 fragrances. Like usually this is what I smell like. Usually the fragrances I pick, they smell something like this. So the first fragrance I'm gonna talk about is this Prada La Femme fragrance. I got this one recently for my birthday that just passed in November, and I really love this one so far. It's a huge bottle, it's really big, and it's really cute. It reminds me of my Prada bag that I have. It reminds me of my Prada bag, you know, like, because it's Prada Milano and that's what it says all over the bag. So it reminds me of that, and it makes me want to wear it today now. But yes, this is the Prada La Femme, and so on the website, the main accords, like the main notes that you're smelling, is floral, tuberose, beeswax, tropical, white floral, woody, enamelic, yellow floral, honey, and powdery. But the main one is floral. So it has a lot of different notes going on there, but I really love this one. It lasts all day, and sometimes when you spray perfume on you, it smells different on your skin versus when you just spray it out. But this one, it smells so good. I recommend this for a gift, or for like if you're every day, and definitely for a date night because it lasts a long time. The second one I'm going to talk about is this one. This is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, and I really like this one, not just because of the fragrance, but because of the bottle. You know, like when you're collecting fragrances, you're also collecting bottles. Like you're gonna have these bottles out in the open, most likely for everyone to see. So this is definitely cute to have on your display case, or like your display wherever, your vanity. It's so cute to have. Like it literally looks like a shoe. I always forget how to spray it because I always go like this, and that would be dope if you could just like press it and it would come out. So whoever manufactured these, Carolina Herrera, you should make the nozzle like pump here, because that would be like, imagine, so cute. The main accords in this one is white floral, warm spicy, sweet vanilla, cacao, tuberose, amber, almond, woody, powdery. So we noticed that with those first 2 fragrances, they both have the powdery, the tuberose, the woody, and the white floral, I believe, and the tuberose. Yeah, they both have those notes. So this one has that warm spicy, and you could definitely smell the warm spicy in this one. So I would recommend this more for like a date night, and yeah, because it's very like, it smells like the end of the night. That's how it smells, but I wear it every day. The second one, and this one I'm sorry, like this is my all-time favorite. This one I have for like a couple years now, and I love this one. And I just realized that I didn't even have the big bottle. I had the small bottle. Like I thought this was the size that it came in. This is the Michael Kors Glam Jasmine. I love this fragrance. As you can see, I'm almost out of it, so I'm gonna have to rebuy it. And this one, the main accords is white floral and woody. But yes, I love the way this one smells. Like if you're in school, you're a teenager, you could definitely wear this fragrance. If you're going to work, you could wear this. It smells amazing. I love this fragrance. Like it just smells amazing to me. The last one that I have that I just recently got for my birthday as well I got 2 fragrances for my birthday that the Prada one I didn't request, but this fragrance I did request. I smelled it in a magazine and I loved the way it smelled. It smelled so good and I was like, I have to have this. It's the Chanel Mademoiselle. Okay, I love this one. The bottle is super cute. You know, the Chanel bottles, they always look like this. And I just got the small one because I literally have so many fragrances. I don't need to have big bottles of everything. I would never get through them. I would never be able to wear all those fragrances. They would end up just spoiling and wasting. So this one, I like it. The main accords is citrus, woody, patchouli, sweet, white floral, rose, earthy, vanilla, warm spicy, and yellow floral. So the main one is citrus. I really like this one. I just want to smell it. Yeah, you could definitely smell the citrus. I really like this. Like, you could wear it every day, daytime fragrance, and also as date. But like I told you guys before, the main one that I would say for the date is the Carolina Herrera, the Good Girl. But this is a new one. I haven't really been wearing it like that, but I've been reaching for this a lot. And it actually says on the bottle, I just noticed, it says night fragrance. So this is actually what they recommend is the date night fragrance. But I wear it all day because a girl ain't going out on that much dates. So the last one I have, which is kind of like my affordable fragrance that you can get anywhere, is this is not the cap for it. I'll just leave it. Is the Vince Camuto fragrance mist. So how I found out about this fragrance, my friend had it in her car when we were going out, and I sprayed it on me, you know, to smell good before I walk into the spot. And I was like, oh my God, I love that scent. So she actually bought me one, and I think this is still the same one that I have. I use this as a topper. Every time where I put a perfume, I put it on, and then I finish doing what I gotta do before I leave the house. And then I put this on top to really seal the deal, so I could really get a nice fragrance. So all my girls who really wear perfume, we know that you mix fragrances to get the scent that you want. So that's what I always do. I always top it off. Like a lot of my fragrances, I just top off with this to just give me that extra. And this was mad cheap. I got it from Marshall's. Well, my friend got it from Marshall's. It's $7. So anybody could buy this and smell good. That's what it says. It says it's, well, the actual fragrance of this, not the fragrance mist. It's defined as a blend of fruity and sweet notes. It has bergamot, nectarine, jasmine, white amber rose, and that's it. And it says you could wear it at any occasion. Like I said, this is like a topper. You could wear this in the day. Sometimes you could even just spray this. It smells really good. Like, you could apply this multiple times throughout the day. I know when I was in school ages ago, girls used to spray so much fragrance mist on them. But this is definitely the one. I love this. I want to spray it on me right now. I love the way this smells. Like, it smells so good to me. The one I'm probably gonna wear today is the Prada, because I haven't worn this in a minute and I just want to spray it on me right now. A good way to smell fragrance is to spray it in your hands, rub it together, and inhale it, and then you could really just smell it all over you. I just did that just so I could show you guys a good way to test smells. A good way to like figure out what smells work for you is to just go into the mall or get those magazines where you can smell the fragrance. That's how I found out about the Chanel Mademoiselle. I was looking through the magazine and I smelled it and I loved it. And you could try it out. You could put it on your skin. But of course, if you go into the store, you can see how long the fragrance lasts. And now that I'm waving my hands all around me, I could just smell this Prada. And this is definitely what I want to smell like today. So I think that's it. It was a pretty short haul. I have much more perfumes, but of course I have to see if you guys like this type of videos first. So if you do like these type of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below of what fragrance you would like to try that you've been eyeing, that you want to purchase. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I always post things. I always ask my followers questions and my subscribers, so I like to hear from you guys. And yes, so about this hair now, This is one of my wigs. I always talk about like my eyelashes and my wigs, and I usually just have a black wig on that's just a different wave pattern. But I wanted to put on this red wig that I colored and that I customized myself. I actually did this wig for my birthday last year, and I only wore it for 2 days. But I looked at it yesterday, I'm like, dang, this wig is fire. So I just kind of like customize a little bit more. I got like my little sideburns and little baby hairs going, and I'm feeling it today. And I love this hair. I added an extra bundle, so it's really thick, and it has different reds in it to give you that dimension. As you can see, we have like a pink going on to like a red, a candy red to like a deeper maroon color. So I really does this. So if you guys are interested in getting a custom color wig like this one, please log on to my website. All the information will be down below. All the information about the fragrances, my hair, everything will be in the description bar. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.